Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat. How are you all? I hope you are fine and safe. This is your social study class, grade 2. I am your teacher, Miss Lubna. Last week we had done lesson number 15. Now today start the new lesson. Lesson number 16, important places. Book page number 46 and 47. So everyone take out your books. Book page number 46. Yes, well done. Hurry up, students. Before start the reading, everyone write the date, January 10th, 2021, CW and day on the top of the page. In this lesson, we will study the detail about important places that exist everywhere in every town, village. These important places also called the public places. You can see in this picture school, store, cafe, hospital, beach, park, grocery store. These are the important places. In every town and village, there are some important places. These are the mosque, church, temples, markets, schools, hospitals, banks and post offices. Railway station and airports are also important places. Without these places, we cannot survive in daily life. Mosque is the important place where the Muslim offer their prayers. Church is also important place for Christians. Christians offer their prayers in church. Like temple is also important for Hindu. The Hindus offer prayer in temples. Now let's start the detail about the important places. The market. A market is a place where people come to buy and sell goods. There are many small shops or stalls in a market. You can see in this picture, this is the picture of market. Here are some different stalls of different things, like in this picture fruit shop. You can buy from the fruit shop different fruits and vegetables. In this picture you can see here fish market. You can buy fish from the fish market. This is also called the common market in a big market. There are many kinds of shops. You can buy food, clothes, machine, tools, toys and many other things. Some markets sell only one type of thing. In a fish market, you can buy all kinds of seafood. In a meat market, you can buy different kinds of meat. Like in first picture, a fruit and vegetable market, you can buy only fruit and vegetables. Some markets are held once a week. Farmers and traders bring their goods to market. People come to market to their weekly shopping. Like in here in Oman, Juma Bazaar. The most important one of the most important place and other important place is post office. A post office is a place from where you can send postcard, greeting cards, documents, parcels. This is called mail. What is a mail? Mail, letters and parcels sent in post is called a mail. You can see here the post office picture. In next picture, the post box. Third picture is the stamp. And last picture is the parcel. These are all these things related to the post office. We can also buy stamps and special envelopes at the post office. You can use these to send letters through the post. When you send a letter, you have to put a stamp on the envelopes. Then you must put the letter in a post office. A postman will collect the letter from the post box. All the letters are sorted at the post office and then sent to the people to whom they are addressed. In different countries, different colors of the post box. In Pakistan, the post box color is red and specific uniform of the postman. Now students, today we have done the reading of page number 46 and 47 of lesson number 60, important places. Everyone do the reading practice and do the reading practice of these 2 pages and make its title page. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.